In this question, you're asked to find the equation of a line which pass through the point of intersection of these two lines and also have equal intercepts on both axes. So where do we start? Any line through the intersection of these two lines. So the required line can be assumed as 4x plus 7y minus 3 plus lambda times 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the required line. So this lambda can be found out using the given condition. So what is the given condition? This line should have equal intercepts. What is the meaning of it? This means that the x coefficient has to be equal to y coefficient. Because if you have the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, x intercept is minus c by a, y intercept is minus c by b. So if these two are same, implies minus c by a is equal to minus c by b. This implies a is equal to b. So if the x coefficient and y coefficient are equal, then the intercepts are equal. So what is the x-intercept here and y-intercept here? So this is not in standard form right now. So let us convert this into standard form. It is x times 4 plus 2 lambda, 4x plus 2 lambda x. So x times 4 plus 2 lambda plus y times 7 minus 3 lambda minus 3 plus lambda is equal to 0. So this implies 4 plus 2 lambda is equal to 7 minus 3 lambda. This implies 5 lambda is equal to 3. This implies lambda has to be equal to 3 by 5. So if lambda is equal to 3 by 5, then the line will have equal intercepts. So if you put lambda is equal to 3 by 5, you get 4x plus 7y minus 3 plus 3 by 5 times 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you take the LCM, you get 5 times this divided by 5 is equal to 0. This 5 goes onto that side, it's cancelled. This implies we have 6x plus 20x. So 26x, 35y minus 9y, 35y minus 9y, 26y minus 15 plus 3, minus 15 plus 3, that is minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies 13x plus 13y minus 6 is equal to 0 is the answer. Thank you.